Class 3, Lesson 6, A Polite King. Politeness. Politeness is a divine quality. It makes both the person make happy, one who shows it and the other who receives it. Politeness suggests that we should not hurt anyone in public. Politeness means we behave the way we expect others to behave. Politeness is to be gentle and loving and to show respect to others. If someone asks you the way, show him the way. That is politeness. If you do not know a thing, admit it humbly. That is politeness. When an elder is standing in a bus, offer him or her your seat. That is politeness. Here is one small story on politeness. Once upon a time, a poor man who was traveling in a desert drank water from an oasis. It tasted sweet to him. He decided to take the sweet water to his king because he loved him. He took a goat skin full of water. When he arrived at the court, the king received him. The man presented the water to the king. By this time, the water had become tasteless. However, the king showed pleasure in drinking it. The queen, who was seated near the king, also wanted to drink the water. The king said to her, "It is a gift to the king, and only the king shall drink it." When the man left the court, the king told the queen, the water the man had brought in a goat skin was putrid. If you had drank it, you would perhaps show the distaste on your face and thus hurt the poor man. Therefore, please excuse me for not sharing it with you. The king drank the water because he knew that the poor man loved him. His love and devotion for the king had made him carry the water all the way to the king's court. The poor man had hoped that the king would be pleased. The pleasure on the face of the king was his reward. The king rewarded him by showing love and politeness. Now recall some incidents where someone showed impolite behavior in public. Suppose there is a queue in front of a counter. If someone suddenly appears, breaks the queue, and goes directly to the counter, this is disregard for people who are in the queue before him. A polite person always respects others. People always respect a polite person. So give respect, you will get respect. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me are the frequently used words by a polite person. Always be polite in your words, thoughts, and actions. This is gentlemanly behavior that will be appreciated by all. Thank you. Exercise A. Answer the following questions. First, why did the poor man present sweet water to the king? Because the poor man loved the king. Second, why did the king show pleasure in drinking the tasteless water? Because the king respected his love. What did the poor man get in return from the king? The pleasure on the face of the king was his reward. Fourth, what is politeness? Explain it with an example. Politeness means to love and respect others. Example, give our seat to elders. B. Fill in the blanks. Dash suggests that we do not hurt anyone in public. Politeness suggests that we do not hurt anyone in public. Second, politeness is dash and dash. Politeness is gentle and loving. Third, a poor man decided to take the dash to his king. A poor man decided to take the sweet water to his king. Fourth, the man took the water in a dash. The man took the water in a goat skin. Fifth, a polite person always dash others. A polite person always respect others. Now see, write T for true and F for false. First, the king offered water to the queen. False. Second, the king rewarded the poor man by showing love towards him. True. Third, the water was tasteless. False. Fourth, if you give respect, you will get respect. True. Thank you.